What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I am in love with all of these slimes and I am so excited that I get to do a restock. I wasn't going to, but I am excited because we have some really exclusive slimes, and then there's also some slimes that we didn't get to take to Slime Expo DC because we ran out of containers, so I couldn't take everything that we brought, but it's okay, it all worked out because now we get to do a restock for you all, so I'm really excited about that. Also, if you want to use the code Unicorn Power, you get 15% off at checkout this week, so make sure you go ahead and do that so you get 15% off your entire purchase. And now on to the slime. So the slime that you're watching right now is actually my #1 bestseller. She is the queen of unicorn slime shop. Everybody say it with me. Chanel #2. I love this slime so much. It's scented like Bubblicious bubblegum. Literally like you just open a fresh pack of Bubblicious. That's exactly how this slime smells. It's so good. Very thick, glossy, and holdable, and it has amazing bubble pops as well. And it's still very stretchy for being a thick slime. So this one is just A1. Make sure you snatch her. Baja Blast is actually my second best seller. This one is a really cool slime because it's a hybrid. I love hybrid textures. If you haven't noticed, I have a couple in my shop. This one is a hybrid between a cloud dough and an icy slime, so it's really cool. It has a little bit of drizzles to it, but it looks mostly like an icy slime. And this one is actually scented like Baja Blast soda from Mountain Dew, the one that you get at Taco Bell. It's really good. If you don't know what Baja Blast smells like or tastes like, it's basically a Mountain Dew like lemon lime soda with tropical hints. So think like pineapple and blue raspberry. It's really good. Mud Mask is third from the big three. That's what I call my best sellers because they are the big three in my shop. You know what I'm saying? This one is another hybrid slime. So it is a hybrid between a cloud cream texture and a butter slime. It's super nice. And if you haven't noticed, it's actually a lot more sizzly and creamier than previous. That's because we kind of revamped the recipe and it's actually made with a different glue now. If you haven't had a Mud Mask in a while, make sure you go ahead and snatch because it's super creamy now. Just amazing. And it's scented like green tea and lemon. It's so good. OREO Cheesecake is a new slime to the shop, and it's actually going to be our first DIY clay slime ever. So it has a layer of black Daiso clay at the bottom to represent the Oreo cookie crust, and then the top part is actually a thick and glossy school glue slime. So it's really nice, stretchy, and holdable, and it's scented like Oreo cheesecake. It smells really good. When you mix it together, it turns black into a butter slime, and it's really good. I love this slime so much. You definitely need it. The scent alone is just amazing, and the fact that you get to mix the Daiso in yourself is really cool. Also, each one of these is going to come with an Oreo cookie charm. Unicorn jelly is such a pretty slime. The last time this was actually online in my shop, you all snatched it super fast, faster than Chanel or any of the big three. So I definitely had to bring this to Slime Expo DC. And like I said, because we ran out of containers, I couldn't bring everything. So there is a limited amount of these. I think we have like 7. So if you want to snatch, make sure you do so. This is a very thick jelly slime that comes topped off with that holographic pink and purple glitter. There's also some pearls in there for added texture. There's also some iridescent glitters, and there are some holographic heart glitters in there as well. It's just super cute. I love this slime so much. It's adorable, and it's also scented like rainbow sherbets and unicorn farts. It's really good. I know it sounds kind of weird, but it's not. Banana Split Crispy is actually another hybrid slime in my shop. This is a newer one that I took to Slime Expo DC. This one is a hybrid slime between a micro foam and a snow fizz. It's super, super good. It smells just like banana splits, and the texture is amazing. It's super crunchy and almost a little bit creamy. It's just really, really good. There are some sprinkles in there as well to kind of represent the banana split side, and I just love it so much. Super crunchy, and it gets super, super inflated because of the micro foam beads and because of the snow fizz that's in there. So it's just all around a great time, and I love this. Also, I know that the base looks like it's a white glue slime, but it's actually made with clear glue, which makes it even crunchier. It's just amazing. You definitely need to try out this texture. It's so, so good, and I want to make a lot more slimes based off this texture. Rainbow Parfait is a slime that is not new to my shop. However, I did revamp it a little bit, so the texture is a lot thicker and creamier, but it still holds in the beads, and there's absolutely no bead fallout. It's a really nice white glue fishbowl slime, and it has rainbow fishbowl beads to represent fruit, and then there's also some Fimo fruit slices on the bottom as well. I just think it looks super, super cute because for some reason, this slime, the fishbowl beads rise up to the top, and the fruit slices go down to the bottom. So I just think it looks super, super cute and so adorable. I love this slime a lot, and it's scented actually like mixed berries and yogurt. Twizzlers Puff is a really inflatable clay slime, and it smells just like cherry Twizzlers. It's really nice, very smooth, spreadable, and very, very self-inflating. It's so, so good. I am so happy that I actually had some extras because you all wanted this one. I know a lot of you actually commented on the post on Instagram and said that you all wanted me to stock it, so I am so glad that I'm able to do that for you all. So make sure you snatch. I think we have about 20 of these only, so make sure you get to the shop fast if you want to snatch them. This slime is actually made with a special blend of clays to make it super, super, super inflating. It's really, really good. I try to make a Twizzler there. I don't know if you noticed. And it's super vibrant. I love the red color. If you're worried about it staining your hands, it actually won't because there's no food coloring or paint or anything in here. The color is all coming from all of the red clays that I used, so that's really cool too. French Vanilla Fantasy is new to the shop. I actually took this one to Slime Expo DC as well, and you all loved it, so I am glad that I had extras to bring to the shop. This one is scented just like French Vanilla Coffee. It smells really, really good, and it's a really thick, spreadable, and holdable butter slime. Of course, it's going to be swirled brown and white so that you can mix it yourself, and it just looks really cool. And the end result, when you mix the two colors together, it almost looks like coffee ice cream, and I love that. Metallic Thin Mint is new to the shop as well. However, you might have seen it on a couple of my friends' stories because I actually gave this out to a lot of my friends and they all loved it. So this one is a really nice clear base slime. It's metallic. This one is a fresh batch, so it doesn't look super metallic, but trust me, when you get it, it will. I love this slime so much. It's scented just like Thin Mint chocolate cookies. I was gonna say candy, but they're definitely cookies. And it's really cool. It is swirled brown to represent the cookie, and then the little turquoise greenish color to represent the box of the Girl Scout cookies. So I am just in love with this slime. I'm finally bringing it into the shop, so I hope you all love it. And the cool thing about it is when this mixes, it actually turns silver, and it's super, super cool. I don't know how that happened, but it's amazing, and I love it. And it still has the brown green undertone, so I just think it's really nice. Alrighty, y'all, that was pretty much it for this video and for this restock. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Let me know in the comment section down below what you want to see come back in the shop, and I will definitely try to do that for you all. And we will also be restocking next week. So thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!